So this is the Paris Hilton 7-piece tool crock set, and I got charcoal, and it's available in pink also. So let's do the unboxing, see what we got. We're gonna open it together. So we have them in a bubble wrap, and this is the canister. A nice glossy finish, and it's stainless steel. Okay, so that is good to prevent rust. Now here are our utensils. So it's silicone and stainless steel with a gold finish. It's not as heavy, it's lightweight, and it has our initial right here, PH, and that's in like a silver color. The silicone feels nice and durable. Okay, so let's place, we're gonna wash them before we use them, but we're not gonna use them today anyway. Just gonna place them in there so you can see how they look. Here's the whisk. Okay, they're lightweight, not as heavy as I thought they would be, but it does feel durable. So there's that. We have a thong. Okay, and it locks, or you can keep it open. We're gonna lock it. And the container is counted as 1 piece, so we have 6 pieces of utensils. I think this one is a food turner or something. I think that's what it's called, right? Not a spatula. This is like the spatula. Okay, it feels nice. We have a spoon. And now this is a ladle. This is the last piece. All right. So here's our beautiful set on the countertop. It definitely adds some style. So if you're into elegance and glam, this is definitely worth it.